to put the butter in. Then now it's ready to go.
Okay.
Now you have to stir it up a little bit. Stir it up. Okay, what else does it say? Okay, so we have to stir it up really good so that until you see that it's ready.
What kind are those?
What kind of
Cupcakes are those?
Oh, these are strawberry cupcakes. It tastes really good.
Okay. I can't wait to get some.
Oh, it's gonna taste really good.